MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
The Motor City built shop space. Lots of stuff going on in here, as you can see. The biggest project right now is my 1998 BMW M3, which I'm building into a track car. I'm gonna do a couple track days this season, maybe a few drop-in races since I have my SCCA race license now.
When Cristy Lee is not under the hood of one of her cars or fixing her motorcycles, she's competing in HGTV's 100-Day Hotel Challenge. And earlier this year, she hosted the home renovation show Battle on the Mountain on HGTV. She also relaunched her company, Motor City Built, which puts all her passions, fixing cars and motorcycles, renovating homes, and real estate under one umbrella. By her side every step of the way, her shop dogs. Can you tell I instantly fell in love with this puppy? She named him Diesel, which couldn't be more perfect. I asked Cristy if I could give him a treat, and as soon as he heard me open the treat bag, he jumped right into my lap. I could not stop laughing. Diesel is now 6 months old, and Zoe is 7 years old. The puppy was one of 4 dogs she fostered earlier this year. And understandably, she couldn't give this little guy up. Cristy Lee's cars and motorcycles are nice, but her fur babies stole the spotlight while we were recording this video, and we were more than happy to give it to them. Cars and motorcycles have always been a huge part of Cristy Lee's life. Her dad was a BMW master technician and a shop owner for more than 30 years, ultimately inspiring her automotive career. She gained notoriety on MotorTrend Network on popular shows like All Girls Garage and Garage Squad. Over the years, Cristy Lee has inspired countless women to pursue their own dreams in the automotive arena.
I think the best way to empower other women is to just get out there and do it. And I think that women see that, and that's what really truly inspires them to do the same thing. Like, hey, I saw her working on this car. Well, I want to learn how to do that. I'm going to go out and do it. And that's what's really awesome about this industry and being part of that.
But in 2023, life as she knew it was turned upside down.
Basically, I got sick overnight, and it was like life-changing. Being diagnosed with Graves' disease and thyroid eye disease without any symptoms or being pre-symptomatic in any way, shape, or form. Basically, just waking up one morning and having pain and eye swelling, and then within a week, I was in the emergency room.
Since then, she's had her thyroid removed and back-to-back surgeries and procedures. She's now learning to live with 2 autoimmune disorders while taking on projects in a new way.
Maybe I have to do a little bit better of a job listening to my body, to what's going on externally, to the people that love me that say, slow down, you're doing too much. So that was a big life lesson for me.
About a year after her rare diagnosis, a silver lining. She tied the knot with her partner of 10 years.
Funny thing is that I actually proposed before she got sick, and then she fell apart on me. But no, it was the right time before she got sick. But even after she got sick, you know, it just meant a lot more to us.
Sharing my journey is my way of passing on that strength. If it affects even one person in a positive way that has Graves' disease or thyroid eye disease or is going through anything medically, that is a huge plus for me. And that's kind of what keeps me going and keeps me talking about these things and helps continue to drive me and persevere through these challenges in my life.